Alright, in this video we're going to go ahead and disassemble this old EasyGo controller and see what's inside of them. This one looks fairly corroded, so we'll see what happens. This is I don't know what model this is or anything. It's kind of worn off, but it's just a 4-pin or 5-pin connector without the A2. Whew, finally got it to pop a little there after some slicing and then just shoving it and twisting it. See if I can get this other side to pop the same way. Obviously, you avoid the warranty. Alright, I got the other side to pop a little after slicing it a little bit deeper. Alright, here we go. Not easy. Looks like there's a aluminum rib down there that grabs it, so if you can get it away from that, it helps a lot. So I did kind of get it a little there. I don't think that's too bad, but I'll finish popping this apart, I guess. Looks like there's a lot of water damage or nothing. So keep popping this apart. We're just gonna try to desolder these pins for holding this board down. Alright, these pins do not want to come out real easy. Not sure why. There we go. There you go. Here's our board. pins went down. See if there's a little pot there that can be adjusted. Well, here you go. The rest of everything under here is just transistors mounted to heat sinks, capacitors, and that is the board that controls it all. And then it has the rails that come out. So there's a few resistors and whatnot, and the thermal probe on that side. But I can't say I'm going to finish tearing this apart. I would have to desolder. Because it dawned on me to take this out. I think I can. Unscrew all the transistors, the MOSFETs, metal oxide field effect transistors. So we're going to try that. Alright, there it is. The old heatsink.